Hey guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you having trouble with your Epson printer and want to perform its factory reset? A factory reset is usually the best way to get your printer working properly again. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain you super simple Epson printer reset process using the control panel. Also, it will take only 2 to 3 minutes to complete. If your printer does not have the LCD panel, then call our expert at the following numbers to get instant help. So let's get into the process now. First, move to your Epson Printer touchscreen panel and scroll right to select the settings option. Then you should scroll down and choose the Restore Default Settings option. After that, scroll down to select Clear All Data and Settings option. When you see this confirmation prompt, then simply select Yes to move forward. Now, the factory reset will be complete and it will ask you to restart your printer.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.